Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 52nd episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Anandam Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. First post-COVID Mega College Festival had 36 events, 17 colleges, 576 participants battling for 3 days in 4 venues. Aditi Agrawal of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri organised its mega annual college festival after a 2-year gap from 11th to 13th April 2022. The first day had 18 events held in 4 venues on campus: Technocrat, Saviofar and Inscape. Some 170 students from 10 colleges participated in 8 events including quiz, coding, hacking, science modelling, gaming, upcycling of e-waste, debate and treasure hunt. Parallel program Inscape had 10 events: quiz, debate, matka painting, talent show, photography, reel making, meme making, psychometric games, cosplay and elocution, with 80 plus participants from 9 colleges. Saviofar by School of Commerce and Management had 4 colleges, 4 teams and some 20 plus participants for 6 events. On second and third day, 15 events held in 3 venues. The crowd puller events of music, dance and fashion show were held in the central venue, Killian Hall. A total of 210 plus participants from 17 colleges from North Bengal and the Hills participated in the 6th edition of the iconic college festival, Innovision 2022. The presence of Sri Gautam Deb, Mayor of Siliguri, made the event even more special. The participating colleges included Inspiria College Siliguri, Trinity B.Ed College, Siliguri College of Commerce, NBU Law Department, IIAS School of Management Siliguri, Delhi Paramedical and Management Institute, Indian Institute of Legal Studies Siliguri, Salesian College Siliguri, Salesian College Sonada, Siliguri Institute of Technology, St. Joseph's College Darjeeling, St. Xavier's College Rajganj, Suryasen College, APC Government College Siliguri, Sukanta Mahavidyalaya, Delhi University Siliguri and Guru Bidhan Government College.
Darjeeling Police and Salesian Community Radio launched legal awareness program. RJ Wang reports.
For the first time, Darjeeling Police and Radio Salesian are broadcasting a series of 5 weekly legal awareness programs in Nepali language from 19th April 2022. Main broadcast is on every Tuesday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., while repeat shows are scheduled for Thursday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Saturday 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. Topics include crime against women, domestic violence, protection of children from sexual offences, human trafficking, and community policing. These public awareness radio programs are available in podcast and can be listened to at any time from anywhere.
9 Catholic SALESIAN Faculty joins Northeast Salesian colleges to mull their role in higher education. HOD of Physics Department Mr. Prajwal Chhetri reports.
More than 90 Catholic faculty members from 10 Don Bosco colleges in northeastern India spent 4 days reflecting on their role in higher education institutions. The 10 participating Salesian colleges were Assam Don Bosco University, Guwahati, Don Bosco colleges of Marang, Bongaigaon, Golaghat, Kohima and Tura, Salesian College Siliguri and Sonada, St. Anthony's Shillong and Government College Cherrapunji. The program was held at Shillong Centre on Badapani Lake near Shillong, capital of Meghalaya state. The largest contingent of 27 participants came from Don Bosco College Marang in Manipur. Each participating institution planted an olive sapling to mark the occasion.
Salesian faculty visits Don Bosco University, Guwahati. Assistant Professor of Mass Communication, Ms. Shruti Chhetri reports.
A group of 8 faculty members, 6 from Siliguri and 2 from Sonada campuses, on their way to Inter-Salesian College Catholic Faculty Program during Holy Week 2022 had a brief visit to all 3 campuses of the first Don Bosco University in Asia. Arriving in Guwahati by train, they visited Don Bosco Institute of Management at Siliguri on the banks of mighty Brahmaputra River. After a sumptuous breakfast, the group toured the facility and had interaction with DBIM Director Father Johnny Parankimalil. The second campus was Don Bosco Engineering College Azara near Guwahati Airport, where they interacted with Pro Vice Chancellor Father Joseph Nelanat, a Sonada alumnus of 1973 batch. After a 40-minute ride, the group visited main campus at Tapesia near Sonapur. After lunch in the food court, the group had a guided tour by Sonada alumnus Father Abraham Kannat of 1975 batch. Nestled in a tea garden, the university campus is awesome.
Mass Communication Department holds 3-day special lecture series. Pratyusha Sinha Roy of Mass Communication, 2nd semester, reports.
Salesian College Siliguri organized a 3-day special lecture series on media from 7th to 9th April 2022. On the first day, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication at Surendranath College for Women, Kolkata, Dr. Uma Shankar Pandey spoke on cognitive bias. Regional Director of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Dhenkanal, Dr. Mrinal Chatterjee spoke on media and democracy on the second day. The third day saw media trainer with Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union and 4th-term President of Press Club Kolkata, Mr. Snehashish Sur, speak on doing story for television. On 9th April, Father C.M. Paul spoke on the valedictory of 3-day journalist training workshop on development journalism, in which above guest lecturers were trainers. Mass Communication Department Siliguri Faculty and Vice President of Siliguri Press Club, Assistant Professor Mr. Irfan Azam, was local coordinator of the event held in Cinderella Hotel, Siliguri.
Alumni from neighbouring state visits both campuses. Manhun Langlingdo of Psychology, 4th semester, reports.
Salesian College Sonada alumnus of 1973 batch, Father C.T. Lucas and a group of Salesian fathers and Salesian sisters of Don Bosco School, Dotma, visited Siliguri campus on Monday, 18th April. After lunch with principal and Salesians, they had a brief visit of the campus before they left for Sonada, where they stayed for the night. The nearest Salesian community in Kokrajhar district of Assam, northeast India, Dotma is only 5 hours drive from Siliguri.
Physical Education Department organizes Yoga and Psychology Workshop. Neha Subba of Mass Communication, 4th semester, reports.
Physical Education Department of Salesian College Siliguri organized Yoga and Psychology Workshop in collaboration with NSHM Knowledge Campus Kolkata on 19th April 2022, while Assistant Professor Ms. Pramana Gupta spoke on the need of psychology in handling day-to-day challenges. Fitness trainer Ms. Namrata Shah gave a practical session on yoga for health.
And here's our new feature, Photo of the Week. Salesian student attending to a street dog and principal felicitating Salesian young mothers. This show is brought to you by Anandam, Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.